Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to share large files using Google Drive. So first of all you have to do is upload any file from your drive. For example, if your file is larger than 25 MBs, for example, this is my file. I will just drag and drop. As you can see, file is larger than 25 megabytes. It will be sent as a Google Drive link. So I will wait for the file to be uploaded on my Gmail. Once uploaded, I will type in the email of my subject. Once I have entered the recipient name, everything else, I will click on send. Now as you can see, there are some options popped up on my screen. Someone needs access to this MP4 file. So I will select allow anyone with the link to access, or I will share it with the only person that I'm sending to with this email address. He can be a viewer, commenter, or editor. I can also change this option. I will change it to editor and I will click on send. And only if I select this option, then only this email address will get the access, or if I select this option, then anyone with this address of my file will get the access of my file. So if I click on send, it will be sent to the recipient. And that's how you can share large files using Google Drive. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.